Imagine reaching your 70s, and suddenly feeling your legs getting stronger instead of weaker. No pain when climbing stairs. No fear when standing up. No wobbling when walking. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the surprising truth. Many people over 70 are actually weakening their legs without realizing it, not because they're aging, but because of 5 everyday habits they never stopped doing. And when one retired doctor decided to eliminate these habits, something shocking happened. Within months, his leg strength improved, balance returned, and walking became easier again. Today, I'll reveal the 5 things he stopped after age 70 that helped rebuild his leg strength. And pay special attention to number 3, because most seniors believe it's healthy, when in reality, it slowly destroys leg strength. After age 60, the body naturally begins losing muscle. Scientists call this sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass with age. But here's the important part most people don't realize. Muscle loss isn't just caused by aging. It's often caused by daily habits that slowly weaken the legs over time. Things that feel harmless, even healthy. For example, sitting too long. Walking incorrectly. Avoiding resistance. Or even doing the wrong kind of exercise. These habits slowly tell the body, we don't need strong leg muscles anymore. And when muscles aren't used correctly, the brain stops activating them. That's when problems start appearing. Difficulty climbing stairs. Needing support to stand up. Fear of falling. And eventually, reduced independence. But the good news is something fascinating happens when these habits are removed. The body begins rebuilding strength again, even after 70. And the first change starts with habit number 1. The first thing he stopped doing was sitting for hours without moving. Many seniors believe resting protects their joints. But in reality, sitting too long is one of the fastest ways to weaken leg muscles. When you sit for extended periods, blood flow to the legs slows down. Muscles stop activating. And the glutes, the largest muscles in the body, essentially switch off. Over time, this leads to something doctors call gluteal amnesia. Your brain literally forgets how to activate the muscles that stabilize your hips and legs. This causes weak thighs, poor balance, knee pain, and unstable walking. The solution wasn't intense exercise. Instead, he began standing or walking briefly every 30 minutes. Just small movements. Standing up. Stretching. Walking across the room. These simple actions reawaken dormant muscles and restore blood circulation. Within weeks, his legs felt more responsive. But removing sitting wasn't the most surprising change. That comes next. Walking is wonderful. It improves heart health, circulation, and mobility. But relying only on walking can actually weaken leg strength over time. Why? Because walking is mainly a low-resistance activity. It maintains muscle, but it rarely builds new muscle. After age 70, the body needs strength signals to maintain muscle mass. Without resistance, muscles slowly shrink. So he added something simple. Chair squats. Standing up and sitting down slowly from a chair. Just 8 to 10 repetitions. This movement activates quadriceps, glutes, hip stabilizers. The exact muscles responsible for standing, walking, and climbing stairs. Within weeks, he noticed something remarkable. Standing up felt easier. Stairs required less effort. And his legs felt solid again. But the next habit he removed shocked even his doctor. Many seniors avoid leg exercises because they fear knee damage. But avoiding leg strength exercises is actually one of the biggest reasons legs become weaker. Muscles protect joints. When muscles weaken, joints take more stress. That's when pain begins. So instead of avoiding leg exercises, he switched to joint-friendly movements like wall sits, step-ups, heel raises. These exercises strengthen muscles without stressing the knees. And when muscles become stronger, they act like natural shock absorbers for the joints. Within a few months, he noticed his knees actually felt better, not worse. But habit number 4 was something most seniors do every day. And it silently weakens their legs. Many people never think about their shoes when discussing leg strength. But footwear plays a huge role in how muscles activate while walking. Soft, unstable shoes force the body to compensate. Over time, this causes poor posture, weak ankle muscles, reduced balance. After switching to firm, supportive walking shoes, he noticed an immediate difference. His steps felt more stable. Balance improved. And his legs worked more efficiently with every step. But the final habit he stopped might be the most important one of all. Most people only think about strength. But balance is equally important. After 70, the body's balance system becomes less responsive. Without training it, falls become far more likely. So he began practicing simple balance drills, such as standing on one leg near a wall, heel-to-toe walking, slow controlled step movements. These exercises train the brain to coordinate muscles again. And something incredible happens. The body becomes more confident while moving. Walking feels smoother. Turning becomes easier. And the fear of falling begins to disappear. Growing older doesn't automatically mean becoming weaker. In many cases, weakness comes from habits, not age. When these habits change, the body responds surprisingly fast. Even after 70. By stopping these 5 things. Too much sitting. Only walking without strength training. Avoiding leg exercises. Wearing poor footwear. Ignoring balance training. You give your body the signals it needs to stay strong, stable, and independent. And the best part? Most people begin noticing improvements in just a few weeks. So if you want stronger legs after 70, sometimes the best thing you can do is simply stop doing the things that weaken them.